This is where I am. I'm living in my grandma's house. So, so we are here to all the most best airport in Singapore. It's attached to Changi Airport. So I'm going to show you the most best rain vortex in this world. Go and see it now. Hey guys, so now this is where we are, and I'm taking the video. So hope you like this. Remember to subscribe down here below and comment. Subscribe, share, comment below. So remember, look at that. This red, pink, like all the rainbow's color. So you can see what did they say? Breath. That means you can breath properly. Okay, so this is where we are. Where we are is here. And again. Okay guys.
This is the warrior dance in Australia.
Okay guys, so it's starting now. Okay guys, so it's starting. Okay, it's starting. I cannot see properly. I'm going to. It's about to start guys. It's about to start already.
Oh, going to start.
The HSBC Rain Vortex Light and Sound Show.
I know that's not right guys.
Please enjoy the show.
That's loud guys, so I'm got shocked and my family has got shocked. So now starting. Woo! Okay, so it's starting. Okay guys, so this is starting. This is quite scary. Okay guys, so it's so scary. Wow, this I mean the new upgrade. Okay guys, so it's so scary. I think it's the new upgrade. Hey guys, so now it's starting to glow. Quite naughty, right? So you can see the full below because you know it's blocking. That. Okay guys, it looks like all the angels are singing for the coming in this. Okay guys, so it starts to be so scary. Okay guys, so it's finished.
We hope you've enjoyed the HSBC Rain Vortex Light and Sound Show. Have a sparkling time.
Okay guys, hope you enjoyed it. It's quite scary, right?
You don't want this. Did you take video?
Hey guys, so that was the new upgrade of the Rain Vortex. It was the last, but the last time it wasn't that good. But just when I come there for 2 times, people keep saying, "Oh, there's a new upgrade," but there's no new upgrade. The new upgrade is just this. Only this play. I think this song just makes us for feeling of us like very happy. It's like about happiness. Happiness that everybody likes. Happiness. Happiness that people's every time happy. That was like we are in heaven and all the angels are singing for the people who are just comforted. In heaven. You know, the song is quite so sad. Quite so sad. I was about to cry, but it's quite scary, but it's so fun, guys. So hope you come to Singapore and remember to subscribe down below. And subscribe down. Remember when you want to subscribe my channel. Hope you can see Ryan Sanyan soon in film. See you! Woo!